Hi everyone, Miss Eggleston here. Welcome to the Parents and Guardians corner of your webpage. I wanted to do this to really go over why this is here, why I included it on my website, and what you can find here, and encourage you to always give me feedback. I'm always looking for it. Whether you just shoot me an email, I'll show you my contact slip right at the bottom of this. So to get to this page, when you come to my website, you will just see this, my wonderful homepage. And if you go over to this More tab, it will have the Parents and Guardians corner. You'll come to this lovely picture. So welcome. You will notice right now that this video is up at the top to give you a little introduction. And then this is this month's topic that we are exploring as parents, as teachers, as really collaborators in your child's life. So this is our first one, and it is Bringing the Conversation Home, a guide to talking to your students about technology expectations. So every month you'll get a little blurb from me home on paper in your child's take-home folder, and I've posted that right here for you. And I will do so every month. So look for it in the first couple weeks of the month. I'm pretty good at updating, and I'm always working on this and working on topics to keep you abreast of. So I really like posting it in multiple places, sending it home just so you know it's here. As you scroll down, this is a Pearl Trees. I've embedded it right on my website so you don't have to go anywhere. And linked on the Pearl Trees are different articles and videos and even things that you can do and show your kids that this month have to do with staying safe online, what cyberbullying is, what cyber safety is, and my goal in this is to reiterate what we're doing in class. I want us to be collaborators. I think that is going to be most beneficial for your child. And ultimately, when we're on the same page, it makes the home school life a breeze. And I really mean this. I know from experience. And it's just knowing that we're on the same page, the kids are going to thrive even more. So if we move down under the Pearl Trees, there's I like to call a forum, or a feedback box, and it's always going to be expanding the conversation. You know, we're trying to have a conversation, we're trying to reiterate what we did in class, and here is where I would always welcome your ideas, feedback, additional articles that you may have that you've read, maybe have always stayed with you. I'd love to see them, and I'd love to add them to the Pearl Trees if you think other parents would benefit from them. So if you have those articles, please link them. I will put them on the Pearl Trees. Very easy name. If you think I'm going to respond to it, or you don't think I have your email, please include your email. And what do you think about it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you not know anything about it? Would you like more education on it? Let me know. I'm always looking for where to steer the articles. If you need more informational, or if you need more kid-friendly things, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. So, and then down here, I have our classroom Pinterest page. It's embedded right on here, but if you press this button down here, you can go to the actual Pinterest website and see the boards that I've created. Many of it has to do with things that we're doing in the classroom, projects that I've seen that I really want to bring into the classroom, whether it be science, social studies, ELA, math, any of that, and very cool manipulative tools, which of course you guys are always welcome to, but I do have a separate board for parents filled with some fun activities that you can do maybe while you're on vacation, or if you're just bored one weekend and need something to do. I love to link them there. I think it's very easy, and I always love to hear your feedback if you do them, because I want to know if I can always repin them, add comments. If you found that something worked better than what the original pinner said, let me know. I'd love to add it. So please take a look at that. And as always, if you have any questions, please contact me. I am always looking to make my website better and make my instruction better. So please contact me. We are collaborators in your child's life, and I hope you enjoy your corner of the website. Thank you for listening. Enjoy.